Assalamualaikum everybody. In this video I'm going to show what is variable and how to define variable in Python. Actually in this video is made for the demonstration only. For the theory part you need to watch the previous video, which is what is variable, named in my channel Stars Education Learn with Passion. Here I wanted to declare a variable which is int in type. Okay, int in type. I wanted to get that e as input in the text into the name. If I do so, then I enter my name, then it will throw an error for me. For example, I just entered www. Let's say, as I told you that it will throw an error because we have declared the variable in as e as int. So you need to declare a variable in string. String is nothing but the name, the alphabets, which contains some of the things, letters, words, or any other things. If I wanted to declare e as str, string, str stands for string. So I take it that as input in the enter name text. Enter the name text. And that parenthesis will show enter the name. If I enter www here, it will accept. Here's the difference between the int data type and the strings data type. So if you wanted to declare the float data type, here I declare e as float, which is taken as input in the text and enter the name. Ended with parenthesis and is entered. If it's asked me into the name, if I do so, it will throw an error. So I just needed to in a float number 1.2. It accepts. If I wanted to print that one, the number which is e, stored in e, it gives us the value 1.2 which I entered. Here's how the data type and the variable interrelated with each other. So if you wanted to learn more about data type, coding and any other things, you need to subscribe my channel. If you want to learn not only the coding things, I will also publish the video of physics, chemistry, or any other things. If you wanted to learn any other things with me, you just type that in the comment box. So thank you for watching. Thanks for everything. Stay tuned with me to learn. Thanks you guys.